If you've forgotten your T-Mobile app password, the process is straightforward. First, tap the Forgot Password link on the app's login screen. You'll be prompted to enter your username, which is typically your phone number or email address. T-Mobile will then verify your identity through a method like sending an SMS code, asking security questions, or using biometric scanning if your device supports it. Upon successful verification, you'll receive a temporary password. It's crucial to change this temporary password immediately to secure your account. T-Mobile mandates strong passwords with at least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To update your existing T-Mobile app password, first log into the app. Navigate to the menu, then select Account, followed by Profile and Security, and finally, Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password, followed by your new password, and then confirm the new password. For enhanced security, T-Mobile now supports biometric authentication, allowing passwordless login via fingerprint or facial recognition on compatible devices. T-Mobile uses encrypted tokens and hashing to protect your password, and the app provides real-time security alerts for suspicious login attempts. If you encounter issues during the update process, such as account locks, contact T-Mobile's customer service with proof of identity for assistance.